She wants to play with that ball, Ben. Why'd you take her ball? Huh? Her wants that ball. Uh-oh. Did he get it? That stinker got it again. He got your ball. You say thank you? Oh, Ben. Give her that ball, Ben. Give her that ball. Give her that ball, Ben, Ben. Ben, give her that ball. Give her that ball, Ben, Ben.
It never occurred to me that there had been foul play.
Looking for a cold sore product that works differently? Then try
That wasn't very nice. No, that wasn't very nice, Ben. Who wants that ball? Who wants that ball, Ben, Ben? Where'd it go, Pepe? Where'd it go?